Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel my Eurowings Airlines flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, and in the bottom, you can go and of course book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel my Eurowings Airlines flight. First of all, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon, and then go and click on My Flights. Here you just need to go and enter all of your booking references, so booking number and your name to of course find your flight. And then when you find your flight, I at the moment don't have a flight, but when you have one, by entering all of this information, you will have it here. When you have your flight there, you just need to go into the flight and of course then easily just go and cancel it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.